Small meme. In the Holy Quran, sometimes a small meme is found printed on top of letter Nun, bearing sukun when its following letter is ba. In this case, meme is pronounced instead of Nun. Example, yanbu'an is read yambu'an, not yanbu'an. Meme is also found written over the sign of tanween when the following letter is ba. In this case too, the meme is pronounced instead of Nun, sound of the tanween. Example, nafsin bima is read nafsin bima, not nafsin bima. خبيرا بصيرا. رجع بعيد. رجع بعيد. نفس بما. نفس بما.